I was in a bad commercial accident involving commercial vehicles. I had a semi that ran a red light and rolled on top of my semi. The truck hit me, it spun me, and I was hanging out of the cab by the seatbelt, and the cab was up in the air. When we were at the hospital, we started getting calls from lawyers and and we didn't know what to do. And so my wife started looking around and just came across them.
The insurance company kept calling me and harassing me and asking me what his injuries were, and they wanted to know, and they kept letting me know, we have plenty of money to cover this. And at the time, I was trying to deal with him in the hospital, 5 kids at home. It was just too much to try and talk to the insurance company on top of it. So I went home and started researching law firms and found Building Law from an advertisement, and I reached out.
That night, the lawyer flew from Idaho, I believe, to come meet with us late at night. So that right there made me feel like we were in good hands.
My husband hasn't worked for 2 years, and so we obviously got behind on things because we were living on one paycheck. And so I went in there hoping that they could help us at least get caught up and back to where it was fine with just the one paycheck.
With Fielding, everything about them, they just explain it all so you understand before it even happens. So you know what you're going into. You're not walking into something that you have no idea what is even going on.
It was a very good outcome. It has made it to where our family is now back on track and we're able to do things, and I don't think if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be where we are right now.
I'm at least able to get back on track with what they were able to do. So the outcome of my case was definitely a lot higher than I ever imagined it would be.
They actually far exceeded my expectations. They did amazing at what they were trying to do, and they helped us get back on track.
And they're the only law firm I wouldn't recommend anybody else.
100% recommend Fielding Law. Anybody that works with them will have just as good of an experience. They made it more enjoyable than what you would think doing something legal would be.